Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello and welcome to our channel where we discuss various aspects of interior design. In today's video, we will talk about the importance of a bedside table in your bedroom. A bedside table is not just a piece of furniture. It has many functions that can make your life easier and your bedroom more functional. Firstly, a bedside table is a convenient storage space for your nighttime essentials. You can keep your phone, books, glasses, medications, and other personal items on your bedside table. Having all your important items close by saves you the trouble of getting up and looking for them in the middle of the night. Secondly, a bedside table can enhance the overall aesthetics of your bedroom. It can serve as a decorative element and bring style and sophistication to your room. You can choose a bedside table that complements your bed and other furniture in the room. This can make your bedroom look more cohesive and well put together. Thirdly, a bedside table can help you keep your bedroom organized. It can serve as a central point where you can keep all your things in one place. This can help you avoid clutter and keep your bedroom tidy. You can choose a bedside table with drawers or shelves to keep your items organized and easily accessible. Fourthly, a bedside table can provide additional lighting in your bedroom. You can place a lamp on your bedside table, which can create a cozy and relaxing ambience in your room. It can also serve as a reading light, allowing you to read comfortably in bed without disturbing your partner. In conclusion, a bedside table is an essential piece of furniture in your bedroom. It provides convenient storage, enhances the aesthetics of your room, helps you keep your bedroom organized, and provides additional lighting. So, if you don't have a bedside table yet, consider investing in one to make your bedroom more functional and stylish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on interior design. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.